بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم صلی علی محمد وعلی آل محمد وبارک وسلم. You are welcome here. We are going to share recipe for mutton harissa. So 800 gram wheat, soak the wheat for whole night. So 2 cups rice, soak 2 cup moong dal for whole night as well. Boil wheat and boiled rice and then boil moong dal and then mix them very well with the help of a mixer or this machine. After blending them, cook them on low heat and take 3 glasses of water to make spice flavor. Put 12 bay leaves, about 40 green cardamoms, 60 cloves, 6 tablespoons whole cumin seeds, 8 tablespoons fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons black pepper, 10 cinnamon sticks of 1 inch each. Cover them with the help of lid and boil them for a couple of minutes and then strain the extract to add the extract to the wheat, rice and moong dal. We will use about 6 kg boneless mutton. We will cut the mutton in small pieces to boil it and to make small chunks of the mutton to add them to the harissa. After cutting the mutton, put 4 kg mutton in a pot and add 30 garlic pieces, 4 tablespoons ginger, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper. After putting all these spices, put them to boil it. When mutton is boiled, it should be so soft can be mashed with fork, and we cannot mash it in a machine. Mash all the boiled mutton with fork so that we can add it to the harissa. Take 2 kg small chunks of mutton, put them in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon white pepper, add 1 tablespoon salt, add 2 tablespoons oil, mix it very well and fry it. Fry them just a little bit on high flame. Add fried small chunks of mutton pieces to the harissa. Add boiled and mashed mutton to the harissa and cook it on low heat for few minutes. Then put preheated clarified butter in the harissa and mix it. Finally, harissa is ready to serve. Serve it with naan bread or without naan bread. Both options are great and tasty. Eat it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.